Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to post threads on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to post threads on Thread app? Well, maybe it is your first time using threads and not sure how to post thread on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to post threads on Thread app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Posting thread on Threads app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will post thread on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then click on create post icon in the bottom of this page. Now first enter your post, and then if you want, then add pictures or videos from your gallery. Now you can also add and reply to this thread, and in the last you can also change the privacy of this thread, and then click on post, and your thread has been posted on Thread app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to post thread on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.